When it comes to comfort food, burritos are at the top of the list for me, because they're always easy to make and come together in no time. So let me show you a recipe that rivals any recipes out there, but also happens to be vegan. I started by shredding some king oyster mushrooms and cooked them in a pan with some smoked paprika and salt. I then moved on to make a guacamole by mashing together avocado, red onion, tomato, cilantro, lime, salt, and pepper. At this point the mushroom is basically cooked, so I'm adding barbecue sauce to make it saucy. And the last element of my burrito is a mixture of bell pepper and onion, seasoned with salt, pepper, cumin, coriander, and oregano, and tossed together with some kidney beans. Lastly, I assembled the burrito with the three elements, added some extra cilantro and hot sauce, and folded it like this. Once sealed on the folded side in a pan, the burrito is ready to be eaten. And let me tell you, you'll have to stop yourself from eating 3 of these.